Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix this no SIM card found problem in your Motorola smartphone. Friends, how you can fix this problem, and if this showing you have to insert your SIM card properly, it is not inserted accurately, you have to just insert it again. To eject the SIM card, first you need to just remove the SIM tray. So I am just removing the SIM tray. And friends, as you can see, just remove it safely. Friends, as you can see here, it is SD card slot, SIM 1 slot and SIM 2 slot. Just you have to put here SIM 1 like this and just put it inside this phone. And friends, as you can see, now you can see you have to just wait for it, like wait for the network. And now you can see the SIM card problem is solved successfully and internet is working, and there is no internet found or any other SIM card problem is showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.